Diwali is the festival of lights. Make it more special by trying out some easy DIYs. Hello friends, welcome to Vijaya's Artycraft. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I will show you how to make water candles and 5 easy candle decoration ideas. These are very simple and easy to make at home. Before that, if you like the video, please do subscribe and click on bell icon for notifications. Like and share it with your friends. So let's get started. Take a glass jar and fill 1/4 of it with colored powder. Here I am using orange colored powder. You can also try it with colored sand. Now slightly tilt the jar and level the powder. Next add another color and fill 3/4 of the jar with it. Here I am using white colored powder. Next add the third color here and fill it till the top of the jar. Here I am using yellow color. Adjust the level of the powder and now place a tea light candle on top of it. Next we shall make water candle. For this you need a glass jar and a plastic sheet. Here I am using a small plastic plate. Cut the plastic sheet to a small round shape. Make a hole in the center of the sheet using a toothpick or a pin. Take a cotton wick and place it inside the sheet. Next take some food color and add a pinch of it to the jar. Take some water and fill the jar with it. Take some oil and pour a little bit into the jar. Here I am using cooking oil. Now place the cotton wick on top of the oil. Light the wick and your water candle is ready. Next you will need a jar and few pebbles. Place the pebbles inside the jar till the half of it. Take a small pinch of food color and add it to the jar. Pour some water till the top of the jar. Now pour some oil and place the cotton wick inside the plastic sheet onto the jar. For next DIY, you will need a foam sheet and a bangle. Cut the foam sheet in the shape of the bangle and place it inside the bangle. Take a tea light candle and place it on the top of the sheet. Light the candle and your bangle candle is ready. Let's make one more bangle diya. Here I am using 2 pink bangles and a foam sheet. Stick the 2 bangles with a glue and insert the sheet inside it. Place the tea light candle on top of the sheet. Take a glass jar and some colorful pebbles and add them to the glass. Fill the glass with some water till the top of it. Take a tea light candle and place them on top of the pebbles. Hope you all liked the video. Try these easy water candle decoration ideas for this Diwali and let me know your views in the comment section. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.